Hello kids, today I am going to explain you a poem, The Quarrel, from Honeysuckle book, which was written by Eleanor Farjeon. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any particular reason. Their quarrels begin over very small petty issues, and how with the small kind act the quarrels end. It is very mystic and a beautiful poem. So let's read this poem to feel the same. Now I am going to read first 4 lines of the poem and then I will explain those lines to you. I quarrelled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. Now the meaning of these 4 lines are: the poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was giving way to another. While fighting, both means the poet and his brother fell down. Now the another 4 lines. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Now what does this mean? In the beginning, in the start, the fight was very modest and was not very serious. But gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator means the poet, was thinking himself on the right side. Now the next 2 lines, we will take 2 lines here. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Now what does this mean? In the afternoon, the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. Now the next 4 lines. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." Then what does it mean? All of a sudden, poet's brother thumped means hit him on the back and asked him to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. Now the last 2 lines of the poem. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So this means he also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart and he realized that he was wrong. The same happened with us also. So now I think you all like the poem. It's a very interesting poem between a fight between the poet and his brother. So hope you all like the poem. Thank you very much everyone.